Hello, dear students. I welcome you to today's class. Hope you all are doing well. I know you all are doing well and enjoying the online classes and the videos. Do watch the videos. It will really help you in solving certain points that are there, certain topics that are there, certain things that we do it through the chapters. We understand and we learn something from each and every chapter that we are doing. Please try to understand that. How I am saying this is, in this chapter, got it? In this chapter, in the beginning, we have studied about story of some women. Okay? Now when we have studied about the story of these women, of course, it was very good. You liked the stories. But I would sincerely request you all that don't take it as stories. Get lot of inspiration from there. These are very inspiring stories. Try to understand, and these are real life situations. Got it? ये कोई कहानी नहीं है, सच्चाई है. चाहे वो even if she is Lakshmi Lakra, or she is Rokaya Hussain Shekhawat, or she is Rashasundari Devi, Pandita Ramabai, all these ladies are giving us a very good inspiration. We are learning lot of things from them. We are understanding कि life में कितनी भी problems आए, हार नहीं मानना है. Got it? पीछे नहीं हटना है. Whatever you have decided, do it. And it will really help you in future, children. आज नहीं समझ में आता है, but in future, for the coming days, for the coming years, things are very clear. Got it? Women have now the education is going on. लेकिन girls are going for education. लड़कियों को जितना important, now the parents have also become very aware. As much important the education is for the boys, same way it is important for the girls as well. Got it? And automatically the lot of changes are happening. Girls conditions have improved. A lot of things are changing, लेकिन अपने आप नहीं हो गया. बहुत efforts डालना पड़ा. Women have to struggle a lot, and they have कहीं कहीं तो like Rashasundari Devi was there. No support was there, but she struggled. She studied. She have written her own story. अमर जीवन, अपने जीवन के बारे में, अपनी लाइफ के बारे में उन्होंने सबको बताया. Got it? तो इंस्पिरेशन है, लाइफ चेंजिंग इंसिडेंट्स है. We need to read it, we need to understand it, then but we need to follow it also. Just reading and forgetting it and just story समझ के छोड़ देना is not good. आगे इसको हम किस तरह से, how we can get inspiration from here, that we need to understand. Got it? Please try to understand. Now what happens, the way women have struggled to bring out these changes that women have done, and how they have changed the world, that is what we are going to talk about, is women's movement. खाली घर में बैठ के बातें करने से, सोचने से changes नहीं आएगा. The women need to take initiative. The women need to understand. Okay? Many men support the women movements. You know, women को बहुत सारे male members, ऐसा नहीं है that the male members only bully the women. No. There are some very good male members who support the women and all this fears. जो भी करना है करो, तुम्हारे साथ है. We'll support you. Okay? So the diversity, the passion, the efforts of all these people who are involved, it is becoming a very vibrant movement. All these women's movement. Okay? Lot of strategies have been used. Awareness have been spread. And people are now changing their outlook also. पहले ये था कि women are there, औरतें हैं घर में रहेंगी खाना बनाएंगी, but now people are coming out of that mindset. Women also now go out and work, they come back, now they have kept the women are there, the ladies are there who are doing the cooking, and these women 8-8 घंटा 9-9 घंटा काम करने के बाद घर में आके खाना बनाना is practically not possible. Okay, so different strategies are being used to spread awareness, fight discrimination, and seek justice. Okay, क्या है women's movement में, क्या क्या करना है women's movement में? सबसे पहले women should become aware. Most important thing is spread awareness. Got it? Women should know कि if somebody has done something wrong, अगर the male members have beaten them or have used some abusive word, तो it's wrong. A wrong is a wrong. Okay, many different strategies are there. There is awareness is being spread, and women also need to do one thing, that is fight discrimination. Okay, yes, lot of discrimination is there ना, औरतों को बिल्कुल अलग तरीके से रखा जाता है. They are the kind of importance that they need, they are not getting that kind of an importance, and there have been lot of vibrant movements have been there. They are the women are spreading awareness. एक औरत दूसरे औरत को अवेयर बना रही है. She wants that आने वाली जनरेशन में women should get due respect. They are fighting discrimination. Got it? And most important is कि न्याय मिलना चाहिए इनके साथ. Into the women lot of injustice is happening. ठीक है, अन्याय नहीं होना चाहिए. They are seeking justice. Got it? न्याय होना चाहिए. And the glimpse of this struggle is there. We have seen some pictures. सबसे पहले अगर we want to bring the women movement or we want to support the women movement, the first thing that needs to be done is campaigning. Campaigning. What is campaigning? What is campaigning? Okay. Most important is campaigning, spreading awareness. लोगों तक जाके उनसे बात करना है और उनको बताना है कि औरतों के ऊपर जो अत्याचार हो रहा है, whatever is wrong is being done to women, उसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाना है, and to make all the women aware of all these situations. Got it? So most important part is campaigning and spreading the message from one woman to the other women. एक औरत से दूसरे औरत तक ये मैसेज पहुंचना बहुत जरूरी है that the condition of women should change. This campaigning needs to happen. Got it? This is important. Campaigning that happens when the message is spreading from one voice, one woman to the other woman. It has also led to new laws. Because of campaigning, certain changes are happening. What are these changes? New laws are made. नए कानून बन रहे हैं in favor of women. The government also becomes very aware, na? Because government, the people who want the voting, 50% women are there in the society. आधे मेल मेंबर्स हैं, आधे फीमेल मेंबर्स हैं, तो फीमेल का भी वोट चाहिए. ऑल द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज वांट. So a law is made in the country, especially in 2006, where women, 2006 में one law is made. Got it? Law was passed. इसमें क्या था? That Any woman who is facing a physical and a mental violence, घर में जब बहुत मारपीट होती है, I mean abusive language is being used or some threatening is there, so this kind of domestic, this is called as passed against. When something wrong is happening to the women physically or mentally, it is called as domestic violence. Got it? घर में इस तरह की चीजें हो रही हैं. Where will the women go? How will they find themselves secure? They need to be secure. उनकी security is of most importance. So if they are not secure, where will they go? They face physical and mental violence within their homes. It is called as domestic violence, and against this domestic violence, law was passed in 2006. Got it? मतलब very important. Please try to remember the date. Not from political science point of view, GK के लिए समझो कि 2006 में law was made. Now what happens? The laws are very strict. Got it? Laws are very strict. Any women, रात के time में भी, suppose any woman, the husband has beaten the wife, she can go to the police station. Police station में women inspectors are also there nowadays. So it is very safe and secure. They go, and if they complain, तो सबसे पहले what does the police do? It will go. And they will go and they will just put the husband behind the bars. सीधे ले आके lockup में बंद कर देंगे. Got it? The police station that is there is a lockup. And whatever the husband says, ना मैंने नहीं किया है, and no, she's lying and all that, they will say, the police will say, पहले थाने चलो फिर बात करेंगे. It is because of this law. The women's side, the laws are very strict and very strong. लेकिन women are unaware. उनको पता ही नहीं है इन लॉज के बारे में. ठीक है? So awareness has to be created. Campaigning needs to be done. If this campaigning is done, then only changes will come in the life of the women. Got it? Same thing, same way the law was passed in 1997. एक तो 2006 में था, 1997 में what law was passed? The law was passed against sexual harassment. Got it? Against sexual harassment. Now girls are very tender. Girls in a very young stage, or girls in a very what happens is, because nowadays awareness is increasing, so each and every girl is educated for the sexual harassment. Okay, there are certain body parts, there are certain areas where the male members are not allowed to touch for the girls. Boys are also watching this video. This is for them also. They are protected at all places, and when they feel so कि उनके साथ कुछ गलत हो रहा है, somebody is doing a different kind of a touch, or somebody is behaving in not in a proper manner, they can complain. Okay? So Supreme Court has formulated guidelines in 1997 to protect women against sexual harassment. And it happens everywhere. Educational institutions mein the teachers are there. At workplace, okay, like I'm working, my sister is also working. So at workplace, the people who are there, जिनके साथ हम दिन भर का time spend कर रहे हैं, with the people whom we are spending the whole day, if bad kind of experience we have, we can definitely go and complain to the police. There are different cells, there are different places where this kind of things can happen. This kind of changes will bring a revolution, and revolution has already started. Women have started becoming aware. They have started taking steps. They don't accept anything wrong now. They have started raising their voice against something wrong. Got it? 1980s में what happens, one example, we will understand it with the help of an example. What has happened in 1980? Okay, please understand. 1980 में, in 1980s, please understand, women's group across the country, पूरी country में, so many women are there, the women groups are there. They spoke out against the dowry death. 1980 में a complete revolution was started. 1980s में the revolution was there. Against dowry. It's a very age old thing. पता है बहुत पुरानी चीज है dowry, but still it's being carried on. But you know something, I'll tell you a story. How it started. How did the system of dowry start? You know, in the olden days, पहले के जमाने में, I mean, long back, ancient times, when the kings were there, or the families were there, क्या होता है? What happens when the girl gets married? Got it? The girl gets married. She has stayed in the father's house for a long time. ठीक है, 20 साल की लड़की है, 22 साल की है, 25 साल की है, 25 years, 30 years, she has stayed with her parents. Got it? Then she's getting married. Now when she's getting married, so the parents used to pack all her things so that when she will be going to her in-laws house, अब जिनके यहाँ पे वो जा रही है, वो लोग तो नए हैं बिल्कुल. They don't know कि क्या चाहिए. I am getting married, I am going to my in-laws place. उनको क्या पता मुझे क्या चाहिए नहीं चाहिए. My mother knows, my father knows. So they pack complete suitcase with all the goodies and all the belongings that I have been using for last so many years, 25 years से तब मैं जो यूज कर रही थी, मुझे जिन चीजों की आदत है. So I'll not go to my in-laws and I'll say ना कि ओहो today तो my toothbrush is finished, it's going bad, I use this brand toothbrush only. I can't say this. तो टूथब्रश से लेके सुई से लेके सारी चीजें, everything that I use, my parents will pack it in a bag, and that packing will go to the in-laws. तो वो मैं अपने साथ अपना सामान लेके आ रही हूँ, because I have stayed with my parents for such a long time. Now my parents know and I know that what are the things that is required. So gradually and slowly what happened, it started becoming a system जहां पे कि the in-laws started asking कि अरे आप अपनी बेटी के लिए ही तो दे रहे हैं, you are giving all this dowry to your daughter, so please give us a flat, please give your daughter a flat, give your daughter a car. ठीक है, all these things they started asking, and gradually and slowly it took the form of dowry, dahej, and which is really bad. Even the girls who are earning very well, जो बहुत अच्छा कमा रही हैं, their parents also ask for dowry. वो भी जो है वो उनके जो when they also get married, the parents have to give the dowry. Why? We need to change this system. We need to change this ideology. Why will the girls carry the dowry all the time? Okay, that is needed and that is important. Okay, and lot of what used to happen, young brides, छोटी लड़कियां means 18 years old, 20 years old, 22 years old, the girl has got married. When the marriage happens, it's a very new life for the girls. Got it? And she is dreaming that she is going to a new house, she will have a very happy life. And as soon as she reaches the in-laws place, they start torturing her. लाख रुपए कहे थे, लाख रुपए नहीं दिए, 50,000 रुपीस दिए तुम्हारे फादर ने, ये कोई तरीका है? Imagine, The girl who has gone to the in-laws place with so much of dream, she is facing such a bad situation there. So you can understand the mental condition of that girl. क्या बीत रही होगी उसके ऊपर? That she has thought of starting a new life with her husband. कहीं घूमने जाएंगे. People will call her and they will be welcoming her. Love मिलेगा वहां पे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And then the next day the mother-in-law will come and say, अभी तक सो रही हो, उठो, खाना बनाओ. एक तो दहेज भी लेके नहीं आई. अभी शादी हुई है, but still the girl has to face the problem. The girl is facing insult in her in-laws place. Are you understanding? तो lot of young brides, अभी बहुत सारे cases आए हैं where young brides have been murdered by their in-laws or husbands. All these greedy people who want dowry, they have killed the newlywed girl. I told you, इतने सपनों के साथ she is going. The women's group started speaking against this dowry system. Ki, why will the girl bring dowry? Girl is coming. She herself is so talented. Why should she give dowry? What is the use of giving dowry? Is the husband not earning? Is the house she is married, they are lacking short of something? ऐसे मांग लें. They should ask if they want something, तो ऐसे gift की तरह the parents can give to the in-laws. कि ओ हो, आपने कहा 1 लाख रुपीस, चलिए कोई बात नहीं, हम गहना दे देते हैं, we'll give a gold necklace to my girl. So they did so. How did they oppose the dowry system? The dowry system was opposed. All the women's group, they spoke out against the failure to bring these cases to justice. अन्याय हो रहा था ना, girls were killed just for money. Is it their mistake? पहले try to understand. We punish somebody. हम किसी को अगर सजा देते हैं, किसी गलती के लिए देते हैं. But is it really their mistake that they are unable to bring a dowry in their in-laws' place? So this was a big menace. This was a big problem that existed. And they came on the streets, they approached the court, and by sharing information, got it against dowry. Please try to understand. Women came on streets. Got it? And they approached they went to the court also. Court गए कि ऐसे कैसे लड़की को मार दिया? Okay? They started approaching court. अदालत. Okay? And now the laws was made to punish the families who seek dowry. The families which ask for dowry, the greedy people. Always remember, children, agar dowry, if you listen somewhere, or if you find somebody asking for dowry or somebody who is giving dowry, the people who are asking are doing wrong. But then why are the people giving dowry? देने की भी क्या जरूरत है? ठीक है? And the dowry laws were made. They were changed to punish the families. Families were punished who wanted the dowry. Got it? Such laws were made. People have made, the Indian government have also taken initiative. One thing is that, एक तो campaigning के through, we are creating awareness amongst the women. Another thing is, how awareness can be increased. हम लोगों के भीतर में, अंदर में लोगों को हम किस तरह अवेयर बनाएंगे? How do we make them aware? Okay, let's see. I'll show it in the book. So children, just now what we have discussed, we discussed about the dowry cases, we discussed about the women laws. Lot of laws have been made Now, though, already it has been mentioned in the constitution that there has to be no discrimination against women. औरतों के खिलाफ कोई भी, there has to be no discrimination, there has to be no violence, they should be treated with respect. Got it? So across the country, the women have started their struggle. They are struggling hard to remove some ill things in the society against women. And it is very difficult to change the thinking. The thought process needs to be changed. How to come in the life of the women? We need to change the thought process. Okay, we have to understand. देखो यहाँ पे one thing is given, murdered by in-laws or husbands, greedy for more dowry, ज़्यादा दहेज चाहिए. And who has killed them? In-laws have only killed them. And you know what do they do? Some of the families are really bad families. They kill the girls. एक लड़की को मार दिया. Due to dowry, she has lost her life. After that, the boy marries some other girl. उससे भी फिर डाउरी लेते हैं. इस तरह से करके अपना घर भरते हैं. क्या मतलब है इस तरह से? And many families, you know that Crime Patrol and all I was seeing, by God, I don't see these serials. And it is very difficult. It is very, very difficult to understand the kind of treatment that is being. बहुत मुश्किल समझने में. Okay. And it was shown in one of the episodes that one person was there, he got married, he killed the wife, then he got second time married. वहाँ से भी he has taken dowry. Then he had married the third time. Third time में the girl was educated and the girl was aware कि पहले 2 बार ऐसे हो चुका है. तो she went to the police and had done a case against the boy. Police came and took that man to the lockup. खूब डंडे मारे, खूब जब पूछताछ की तब पता चला that he has killed already 2 of the wives. Why I am sharing this story is that awareness चाहिए. Girls who keep their mouths quiet and just keep on tolerating whatever is happening, वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होती है. ओके, women groups are there who have been talking about this. I told you they have come on the streets, approaching the court, sharing information. देखो एक चीज़ और है, that if you are quiet and tolerating, क्या फ़ायदा है? What is the use of doing that? Okay, speak up. If you are seeing that something wrong is happening, you need to be vocal. That I am not going to tolerate this nonsense. ये तो मैं बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगी. Please talk to it. There is whole society now. The laws have changed. The police is there. The lady police is there, who are always there to help you out. Got it? I am talking to the girls. ये देखो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बाहर दिस लेडी इज सिटिंग. कल भी हमने ये फोटोग्राफ देखी थी. आई गॉट वेरी इमोशनल. शी वॉन्टेड जस्टिस फॉर हर डॉटर हु हैज़ बीन किल्ड बाय द इन लॉज जस्ट फॉर डाउरी. ये तो इतने, look at this lady, such a poor family she is belonging, and how she might have married her daughter, and that also daughter has gone to the in-laws house and then the daughter is killed. A very sorry state. ठीक है, यहाँ पे this is given and this is the story of Satya Rani. अभी हम कैंपेनिंग की बात कर रहे थे. आई वॉज सेइंग अबाउट द कैंपेनिंग. द गर्ल शी इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग द पैम्पलेट. ये जो कागज पर्ची बांट रही है ना, दिस कम्स अंडर द कैंपेनिंग. कैंपेनिंग का क्या है कि आप अपने वॉइस, यू आर स्प्रेडिंग योर मैसेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ certain written documents and certain ways where everybody comes to know about the plight of women. औरतों के बारे में समझना चाहिए, सबको पता चले, इस तरह की सिचुएशंस जो है हम देखते हैं. Another is there, जो हमको अभी करना था, this the one that we needed to understand. Just see, protesting. पहला तो है अवेयरनेस आना चाहिए औरतों में. देश शेयर क्या हो रहा है और किस चीज़ के खिलाफ कितनी आवाज़ उठानी है. रेजिंग अवेयरनेस एंड प्रोटेस्टिंग. Women should protest against the wrongs that are being done. कुछ भी अगर गलत हो रहा है तो उसके खिलाफ औरतों को आवाज़ उठानी ही है. This is one important thing that the women need to understand. Got it, children? So I am stopping it here. We will be discussing further in next class. Okay, children. Thank you so much and all the best to you.